OnePlus 12 might be the best OnePlus smartphone yet. However, in this video, we will share with you 6 compelling reasons why waiting for the OnePlus 13 is a better option for you instead of purchasing the OnePlus 12 now. Let's start. Number 1. A complete new design is coming. Similar to Samsung, Google, and Apple, OnePlus has been sticking to a consistent design aesthetic across its recent smartphone releases. Consider the OnePlus 10, 10T, 10R, 11, 11R, 12, and 12R, all of which exhibit striking similarities. They feature a sizable off-center camera module positioned to the left, crafted with metal to give the impression of being seamlessly integrated into the device frame. Prior to the OnePlus 11, the camera module took on a square shape. However, later on the OnePlus transitioned to a circular design. This uniform aesthetic has persisted for 3 years. Now is the time for change, and that's what we will see with the OnePlus 13. According to a Weibo post, the OnePlus 13 is confirmed to debut with a fresh design that eliminates the family hinge. As this is not a foldable phone, hence the term family hinge likely refers to the camera module and its connection to the frame. While details on the specifics of this design alteration remain scarce, one can speculate that with the removal of the hinge, the camera's placement may shift, possibly towards a more centered position, and now disconnected from the frame. It's unlikely that OnePlus would reduce the camera module, especially considering its partnership with Hasselblad, which is a signature feature. Additionally, any opportunity for OnePlus to highlight its camera capabilities will likely be seized upon. Sure, we won't see the OnePlus 13's design anytime soon, possibly not until late 2024 or early 2025. Nevertheless, if you're not thrilled with the OnePlus 12's looks, it might be wise to wait and see what changes the OnePlus 13 brings. Number 2. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Generation 4. The OnePlus 12 currently utilizes Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 chip. It's widely anticipated that the OnePlus 13 will adopt the next iteration of Qualcomm's flagship chipset, the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Generation 4. Qualcomm has already announced that the Snapdragon 8 Generation 4 will debut in October. This chipset is expected to power most Android flagships in 2025. While specifics about the chip's capabilities are limited, leaks suggest that the Snapdragon 8 Generation 4 may even surpass Apple's A18, expected in the iPhone 16 Pro. The Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 has demonstrated exceptional performance in OnePlus 12 and Samsung Galaxy S24 devices. If the Snapdragon 8 Generation 4 can deliver even faster performance and improved power efficiency, it presents an exciting proposition worth waiting for. Number 3. Ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. A common feature found on Android phones these days is the under-display fingerprint sensor. This feature provides a secure method to unlock your phone and apps. OnePlus has been utilizing optical under-display fingerprint sensors for several years. However, a drawback of optical sensors is their tendency to emit a bright light when scanning, which can be bothersome in dark environments. Rumors suggest that the OnePlus 13 will transition to ultrasonic technology for the under-display fingerprint sensor. Unlike optical sensors, ultrasonic sensors utilize pulses of ultrasonic sound waves to capture fingerprints, eliminating the need for a bright light. Ultrasonic fingerprint sensors have been in use for some time, with Samsung's S24 family being the most recent adopters. Samsung claims that with ultrasonic technology, fingerprint scanning is 77% larger and 50% faster than the previous generation. The introduction of an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor to the OnePlus 13 is anticipated to bring even faster performance, enhanced security, and reduced strain on the eyes compared to the current optical sensor. Overall, it's a promising development. Number 4. More advanced telephoto camera. OnePlus has made significant improvements to the camera system on the OnePlus 12 as compared to the OnePlus 11. The OnePlus 12 boasts an impressive array of cameras, including a 50-megapixel main camera, a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. Retaining the Hasselblad partnership further enhances its appeal for photographers. Despite the high resolution of the telephoto lens, it's somewhat disappointing that it only offers 3x optical zoom. For instance, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra features a quad camera system with a 10-megapixel telephoto 3x optical zoom and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens capable of 5x optical zoom. Additionally, the Honor Magic 6 Pro stands out with its innovative approach to telephoto photography, offering a 180-megapixel periscope telephoto sensor with 2.5x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom. OnePlus still has plenty of room to improve in the camera department. With the possibility of a new design and potentially a new camera module in the works for the OnePlus 13, let's hope for a stronger telephoto camera as well. Number 5. Stronger IP rating. The OnePlus 12 has an IP65 rating. This rating indicates that the device is resistant to dust ingress and can withstand splashes of water without damage. While it provides a reasonable level of protection, there are smartphones on the market with higher ratings. For instance, the iPhone 15, Google Pixel 8, and Samsung Galaxy S24 all feature an IP68 rating. These devices can be submerged in fresh water up to 6 meters for up to 30 minutes. With an impending design change expected with the OnePlus 13, it's hoped that it will come with an improved IP rating for enhanced dust and water resistance. In this day and age, there's no reason OnePlus shouldn't offer an IP68 rating, and the OnePlus 13 could be the device to address this. Number 6. Longer software updates. The OnePlus 12 pledges up to 4 years of major Android OS updates and 5 years of security patches. While this commitment is respectable, Google and Samsung have raised the bar by promising 7 years of OS updates. On the other hand, Apple typically supports iPhones for around 5 years or longer with iOS updates. Considering these factors, there's potential for OnePlus to align its future flagship support with that of its competitors. The launch of the OnePlus 13 could mark the ideal starting point for a 7-year upgrade program. That concludes our discussion on the OnePlus 13 and whether it's worth waiting for. Remember that the OnePlus 12 made its debut in China on December 5, 2023, before reaching a global audience in January of this year. Unless there are significant changes, we can expect a similar release timeline for the OnePlus 13. If any of the features we've mentioned are essential to you, it might be worth holding out for the OnePlus 13. However, if you need a new phone now or if these upgrades aren't a priority, the OnePlus 12 remains an outstanding choice and one of the best smartphones on the market today. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel.